Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make this amazing looking painting. This is the small one. Like this only, I have made a big one using canvas. See how nice it looks. So let me show how to make. To make this, you need paint, a pencil, a scale, a whitener, a eraser, and watercolor sheets, and the main shaving foam. So let's start. First, take the watercolor paper which I have cut into 4 pieces. You just need 2 pieces. Take the first one and put shaving foam on it. And now I'm going to spread it using my hands. It doesn't become smooth. Do like this so that you can get a texture like this. Just do small circles or tap like this with 3 fingers. Do the same texture and to all the sides of the paper, and you can rub your hands and it will slowly start dissolving, as you can see. And now what you need to do is take 2 matching colors, and first take the lighter one, dip your hands in that and just sprinkle a little more. And now take the darker color. After you do this, just mix it. It might get a little bit of mess. Make sure all this white part gets closed. And when you do this, you might get a texture like this, like a line. Now wipe your hands and a cloth. Now take the lighter color again and now what you should do is, after repeating the same thing again, take one more sheet and just place it and press how much hard as you can. And now remove it slowly. You can see that I got like this 2 types types of texture. See? And now just rub your fingers near the white part and make sure you take the side which has more of the paint. And now you should let it dry for a few hours. You should let it dry for at least 3 hours. And then you can do drawing like this using marker and whitener. I have done with like this, but these two are green and this one is going to be orange. For this I have used canvas and for these two paper. And now you saw how to make this easy house decorator. And if you do not draw these drawings, you can use this to keep mugs on it, and you can keep small plants on it like this snake plant, and you can hang it somewhere and it will look a lot of beautiful and decorate your house. And if you are making a project to make a tree, you can make this texture with brown color and stick it on a cylinder shape so that it looks like the texture on the tree wood. And thanks for watching.